Day 2 at the beach. Wadala Beach. Let's go to the kids. Oh, thank you, Lord, for today. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing. Room namin. Yun. Hi! Hi, Caleb! What are you doing? Your shoes. Ayaw mo ng sand. What's in there? Ate, look at mommy. Caleb, picture! Caleb, look mommy ah. Caleb, look here. Caleb! Ano meron? Wait, what's this? No.
What's that?
Here, shells. Kayla, I got some for your classmates. I got some shells for your classmates. Look, so small.
I'm still wearing pajamas.
Kaya nga eh. The three of you, picture.
Mommy, this for
1, 2, 3. Kayla, Caleb, Bree.
Bree, come. Let's go run around.